Let me say this in the simplest way possible. Every single day, you're training your brain to become a certain kind of man. Not with big decisions, but with the tiny ones. And most men are unknowingly training themselves to be weak, distracted, impatient, and most importantly, undisciplined. Now, before I start the video and give you some actionable steps that will change your life, let me tell you the difference between instant and delayed gratification. Instant gratification means getting a reward or pleasure right now. And some examples of instant gratification are scrolling instead of working, porn instead of the real effort, junk food instead of proper meals, and video games instead of building a skill. Your brain loves these kind of things because it gives you pleasure immediately. But delayed gratification, on the other hand, means doing something hard right now so your life becomes easier later. Some examples of delayed gratification are studying instead of scrolling, training instead of sleeping in, saying no so you can win later. Now let me tell you how your brain works. Your brain runs on a chemical called dopamine. And let me clear, dopamine does not mean happiness. Dopamine means motivation. Dopamine is basically your mind telling you to do something again and again. But here's the problem. Easy pleasure gives huge dopamine spikes for almost no effort. And it teaches your brain that I don't need to work hard for dopamine when I can easily get it and also instantly. And as the result, slowly but surely, hard work starts to feel painful, focus feels boring, and discipline feels impossible. And I know that you can relate a lot to this, but the problem is that you're not broken. It's actually your stupid ass brain that is overstimulated. And always remember, your brain adapts to what you feed it. अब मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ कि ये डोपामीन जो कि तेरे को इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन से मिल रहा है, ये तेरी मोटिवेशन की माँ बहन कैसे करता है. When you abuse instant gratification, तेरे डोपामीन की baseline drops, which results in your life feeling boring, your goals and your purpose feeling pointless, and nothing will excite you anymore. And इसीलिए you say things like, bro, I have no motivation, I feel empty or I don't feel like doing anything. And trust me bro, I know कि तो relate कर पा रहा होगा cause I was the same kind of guy. But the problem is कि people think कि ये सारे thoughts इनको इसलिए आ रहे हैं because they are lazy. But that's not the case. The answer why you're feeling like this is because your brain is overstimulated and undertrained. Instant gratification is basically like junk food. Junk food kills your appetite and easy pleasure kills your ambition. अब I'm damn sure कि तूने कहीं ना कहीं सुना होगा. साइंटिस्ट ने एक स्टडी करी थी which was known as the marshmallow study. साइंटिस्ट ने बच्चों को ऑप्शंस दिए थे and the options were eat one marshmallow now or wait and get two later. Some kids waited, some didn't. And years later, the kids who waited had better grades, better emotional regulation, better stress tolerance, and better life outcomes. Why? Because they learned one skill early, the ability to say no to themselves. That single skill controls discipline, confidence, self-respect, and consistency. See, delayed gratification isn't about patience, it's about self-control. Now let me tell you about the real damage जो instant gratification से होता है. Every time you choose comfort over effort, you send yourself a message that I don't trust myself to do hard things. And that's like a fucking bitch move. Cause if you can't trust yourself, how the fuck are you supposed to do anything with your life? And bro, do that enough times and your confidence will die. Not emotionally, but biologically. You will literally stop believing in your own promises. And that's why comfort leads to self-hatred. अब मैं तेरे को एक ऐसी चीज बताता हूँ जिससे तू बहुत रिलेट करेगा. एक दिन I want you to do all the productive things. एक दिन तूने पढ़ाई कर ली, एक दिन तूने वर्कआउट कर लिया, एक दिन you took a cold shower. You did every productive thing possible. And bro, at the end of the day, you will be proud of yourself. You will feel so fucking good. And on the other day, I want you to do nothing. मुठ मार, पढ़ाई मत कर, नहा धो मत, वर्कआउट मत कर, do nothing productive instead of indulging in instant gratification. And at the end of the day, you will feel like shit. Bro, तेरा मरने का मन करेगा. और अगर तू इस चीज से रिलेट कर पा रहा है, make sure to watch the video till the end. Bro, make sure कि तू ये वाला पार्ट ध्यान से सुने. तेरे दिमाग के अंदर दो पार्ट्स हैं जो कॉन्स्टेंटली लड़ते रहते हैं. फर्स्ट इज द लिम्बिक सिस्टम और कॉमनली नोन एज लिजर्ड ब्रेन. और इसका काम बहुत सिंपल है. इट्स जॉब इज टू कीप यू अलाइव, कंजर्व योर एनर्जी एंड टू अवॉइड पेन. ये पार्ट तेरा तब का इवॉल्व हो रखा है जब खाने की कमी थी एंड द डेंजर वॉज कॉन्स्टेंट. सो इट डिमांड्स कंफर्ट बिकॉज बायोलॉजिकली कंफर्ट इज इक्वल टू सेफ्टी, एफर्ट इज इक्वल टू रिस्क एंड रेस्ट इज इक्वल टू सर्वाइवल. तेरे लिजर्ड ब्रेन को ये मॉडर्न चीजें समझ नहीं आती. उसको तेरे गोल्स के बारे में नहीं पढ़ी, उसको तेरे प्लेजर के बारे में नहीं पढ़ी, उसको तेरी लाइफ के बारे में नहीं पढ़ी. वो हमेशा तेरे से सिर्फ एक ही सवाल पूछेगा, हाउ डू वी फील बेटर राइट नाउ. एंड दैट्स व्हाई लिजर्ड ब्रेन विल ऑलवेज पुल यू टुवर्ड्स थिंग्स लाइक sugar, porn, entertainment, scrolling, and sleep instead of effort. Not because these things are bad, but because they signal easy survival to that fucking ancient brain. Now the second system is your prefrontal cortex. तेरे prefrontal cortex का काम है planning ahead, stopping impulses, and choosing long-term rewards. But it is like weak by default. And that's why when you are tired, stressed or overstimulated, ये सबसे पहले बंद हो जाता है. और इसलिए तेरे सारे बुरे decisions रात को होते हैं when you are tired or you have had a long day. I mean bro, तू खुद imagine कर, तू सारी बुरी चीजें रात को ही करता है. तेरा रात को ही फोन चलाने का मन होता है, तेरा रात को ही मुठ मारने का मन होता है, तेरा रात को ही मन होता है यार माँ चुदाए बहुत हो गया काम, अब मेरे को बस आराम करना है. But the thing is, every time you don't give in those impulses, every single time you don't check your phone, you don't skip the workout, you don't chase the easy hit, you are sending a signal to your fucking lizard brain that we are safe without this. We are safe without indulging in the pleasures. We are safe without indulging in the bad activities that your lizard brain identifies as comfort. Because you're not forcing logic, you are just training your brain, you are training your lizard brain to shut the fuck up. यार देख तेरा lizard brain is like ancient ज़माने का, वो बहुत पहले ज़माने का है, उसको सिर्फ comfort चाहिए, उसको बस pleasure चाहिए. But your prefrontal cortex is like a new part of your brain. It is not like fully developed, it's still weak, but it's your job to train it. So your lizard brain can't control you. तेरा lizard brain is like your enemy. वो तेरा enemy बनना चाहता नहीं है, but वो unintentionally बन जाता है. तो तेरे को बस एक चीज करनी है, you have to calm your lizard brain down. You have to tell that baby, pleasure is not equal to safety. Pleasure is a bad thing. And ये एकदम से ठीक नहीं होगा. तेरे को constantly urges आती रहेंगी, तेरा constantly मन करेगा कि यार कोई नहीं माँ चुदाए एक और बार कर लेता हूँ. But every single time you tell your lizard brain to shut the fuck up, your prefrontal cortex gets developed. And that's the end goal. Once you develop your prefrontal cortex, तेरी सारी impulses, तेरे सारे बुरे ideas, तेरे सारे बुरे thoughts will calm down. So train your prefrontal cortex. और एक टाइम के बाद तेरे दोनों parts argue करना बंद कर देते हैं. And your life stops feeling like an argument. And you stop negotiating with the impulses कि यार एक और बार कर लेते हैं, क्या ही हो जाएगा करके. You stop doing that. अब मैंने तेरे को सारी चीजें समझा दी है. Now it's time for you to apply these actionable steps that I'm going to give. First step is to kill easy dopamine. And be honest with yourself, तेरे को पता है तेरे easy dopamine के sources क्या हैं. मुठ मारना, जंक फूड खाना और 24 घंटे फोन पे स्क्रॉल करते रहना. These are the sources of instant pleasure, instant dopamine. All you need to do is just remove the access to these things. और I know कि ये बहुत मुश्किल लगेगा अभी, तेरे को constantly urges आती रहेंगी, तेरे constantly impulses आते रहेंगे, but you have to train. और इसमें time लगेगा, but the end goal is to keep trying. Now, second step is to train your boredom daily. At least for 20 to 30 minutes हर दिन अपने फोन को साइड रख and just stare at a wall. I know this sounds very dumb, but bro, this shit works. अगर तूने ये रोज करना शुरू कर दिया, अपना फोन साइड पे रख के you just stare at a fucking wall, तेरी लाइफ में जमीन आसमान का फर्क आ जाएगा. तेरे सारे इनोवेटिव आइडियाज, तेरे सारे अच्छे डिसीजन, तेरी सारी अर्जेस, तेरे सारे इम्पल्सेस खत्म हो जाएंगे. बट द की इज कंसिस्टेंसी. ये एक दिन करने से नहीं होगा, ये 2 दिन करने से नहीं होगा, ये 5 दिन करने से नहीं होगा. द की to kill your impulses, the key to take control of your own brain is to be consistent. So every single day for 20 to 30 minutes, stay without your phone and keep increasing that time. And trust me bro, this shit works. मेरे सारे YouTube के ideas, मेरे सारे Instagram के ideas, by the way if you don't follow me on Insta, link is in the description. Yeah, so as I was saying, मेरे सारे YouTube के ideas, मेरे सारे Instagram के ideas, every single good decision that I made, ये सारे इसी टाइम में होते. And bro, अगर तूने मेरी पिछली वाली वीडियो नहीं देखी, मेक श्योर टू गिव इट अ वॉच, क्योंकि मैंने उसमें बताया है कि मेरे इंस्टाग्राम का स्क्रीन टाइम वॉज 5 to 6 hours. आई यूज टू स्पेंड 5 to 6 hours every single day just scrolling on my phone. So I know how this shit feel. I know how it feel. रात को सोने से पहले ओवरथिंक करना कि यार what the fuck am I doing with my life. So when I am telling you to do something, do it. This will help you sharpen your brain and take control of your brain. मैंने तेरे को फर्स्ट स्टेप में बताया कि जो भी तेरे इंस्टेंट प्लेजर के सोर्सेज हैं उनको हटा दे, बट अगर तेरे को ये मुश्किल हो रही है करने में, यू कैन अप्लाई दिस स्टेप. डू योर हार्डेस्ट टास्क फर्स्ट. कोई भी इंस्टेंट प्लेजर में इंडल्ज करने से पहले, अपना फोन चेक करने से पहले, कुछ भी खाना खाने से पहले, डू योर हार्डेस्ट टास्क फर्स्ट. और ये तेरे लिए कुछ भी हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर मी इट्स रिकॉर्डिंग अ वीडियो. दिस इज लाइक द मोस्ट हार्डेस्ट टास्क ऑफ माई डे. और किसी भी प्लेजर में इंडल्ज करने से पहले, कोई भी अपना फोन चेक करने से पहले, आई रिकॉर्ड अ वीडियो. सो इट ट्रेन्स माई ब्रेन टू डू द हार्ड टास्क फर्स्ट एंड देन गेट द प्लेजर लेटर. This is like one of the best tricks that I have done. See my man, listen. One day तेरी लाइफ तेरी गांड मार के रख देगी. And in that moment, you won't become strong out of nowhere. You will become exactly what your daily habits trained you to be. Instant gratification feels good today. Delayed gratification on the other hand builds the man who can survive tomorrow. And that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe. And मेरे को इंस्टा पे जाके follow कर ले, cause I upload self-improvement content every single day. Mwah.